All right, Charles, let's work this out.
Oh, we're going to work this out?
Well, you're going to work this out.
Okay, well, so I'm looking at this. I actually think this one's pretty straightforward to do once you have the first insight. And the first insight is you want to go backwards. And the reason you want to go backwards is because I already know what the answer for the final state is, and I can go back one step and use that to figure out what the states before are, and so on and so forth. So with that, why don't we actually be explicit about it then? So
Yes.
the value of S sub f would be 0. That's
Good.
given. That's pretty easy. Okay. So then I can ask, well, what would be the value of S4, say? So S4 is the reward you get for leaving that state, taking the action, plus gamma times the state you're going to end up in. Well, so that would be 1 plus gamma times 0, which is 1. Oh, that's pretty good. Okay, and then for S5, I can do the same thing. In this case, it would be 10 plus gamma times 0, which, of course, is 10. All right, am I right so far?
You are right so far, but that's not the question that was asked. It was S3.
Oh, okay, fair enough. All right, so let's do S3 then. So S3 would be the reward that I get, which will be 0, plus gamma times the value of the state that I end up in. Well, if I end up in state 4, that would be 1. But sometimes I'll end up in state 5, and that would be 10. So 90% of the time I end up in 1, 10% of the time I end up in 10. So I multiply the first one by 0.9 and the second one by 0.1, and then I add them up, and we go from there. And that number is 0.9 plus 1. Is that right? Which is 1.9. And that was easy because gamma was 1.
Nice. Very good.
So I think actually you might as well go ahead and talk about what S1 and S2 would be then, because why not?
Okay.
All right, so let's see. The value of S1 would be 1 plus gamma times the value of S3, which is 1.9. And so that would be 2.9. And S2 would be 2 plus 1.9, which is 3.9. So this is good. So if there was some state 0, and I had a choice between going to state 1 and state 2 from it, I should go to state 2.
Yes. Because it's just the same, except you get that extra 1 bonus going out of state 2.
Right. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
Great. Nicely done.
Thank you.